ready to wrap?
Today, we're playing a little game I like to call Recipe Roulette.
Oh no!
The girls will blindly choose a recipe from my book, then make it on their own from start to finish.
How hard can that be?
Let's see if my daughters can actually cook,
Look at my guns.
or if I'm about to regret this whole thing.
I can't read.
This is
My Daughter's Cooked.
You guys need to go change.
You need to change.
I picked this yesterday. I'm not changing.
I'm not changing. I love this blue on me.
I love this red on me.
I'm not changing.
I'm not changing.
I'm not changing. Twins to triplets. You guys ready?
Yay!
You are blindfolded. You're gonna flip through the pages and pick a random recipe to make on the spot.
Oh.
Doesn't that sound fun?
Oh.
One of you guys flip and the other say stop.
Okay, Kiera, tell me when to stop.
All right. Go.
Stop.
Pan-fried pork and shrimp dumplings.
We're supposed to make dumplings?
Dumplings for my little dumplings.
Okay, we need shrimp, ground pork, scallions, soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, garlic, rice vinegar, wonton wrappers, and oil.
How hard can that be?
Hi. Can we get 1 pound of shrimp? No head. No head.
Thank you. Okay, wonton wrappers. How about these?
I think I like these better. Let's just get all of them.
Okay.
Wait, I want to try
No. I forgot what's on the list. I kind of just want all these weird snacks.
hot flavored chips.
They have chili lime ones.
Can I get this?
We got ground pork,
All right.
green onions, shrimp, cilantro, garlic, and finally, hot sticker wrappers.
Oh, you guys are finally back. Since this is your first time following a recipe from a cookbook, I'm gonna give you guys each phone a mom. So if you get stuck, each one of you have 1 phone call, and I will come in and assist.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right, you got this, girls.
We got this.
The recipe should be easy to follow because mommy wrote it.
Okay.
Let's see what's first. Finally minced shrimp into a paste.
I don't like how you're holding it.
I'm having a blast.
You can also use a food processor.
Okay, it says 8 ounces of ground pork. Okay, the shrimp is done. Look at my guns.
There's nothing there.
Transfer the shrimp to a large mixing bowl and add the pork. 2 scallions, green part only. Are we supposed to wash these?
Does it say wash them?
Nope.
Then we're not washing them.
Awesome. Okay, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch,
1 teaspoon of grated garlic,
rice vinegar,
kosher salt, sugar, pepper.
Next step, mix thoroughly.
Okay, with what?
What do you mean with the what? Here,
No,
don't do that.
not with your hands. Your hands will smell so bad. Smell like shrimp all day.
Excuse me? Mix so all the seasonings get everywhere. Okay, ready to wrap?
Yes.
Okay. You're supposed to wrap,
I
Kiera.
can't wrap. All right.
These dumplings are kind of delicate, so you need to be careful with these wrappers.
Place a wrapper on the palm of your hand. Spoon 1 tablespoon of filling into the center.
Curious if they could really wrap this.
Pleat the edges from one end to another, pressing firmly to seal.
Wait, it actually looks good. I'm actually really proud of it.
I'm impressed.
How did they get the ridges?
Yeah, she's doing the pleating.
Wow, that one looks good, Shay.
Good job.
Look at it.
It looks good.
It's so nice.
Good job, Shay. This is like therapeutic.
Are they not gonna call mom? Are they gonna be able to do this whole recipe on their own?
Okay, that's 10. Yay.
2 tablespoons oil. Now I'm gonna give you these. Wait for it to heat up a little bit and then put those on top.
Is it hot enough?
Cook over medium heat until oil starts to sizzle. 1 to 2 minutes.
It's not hot enough.
I'm gonna set a 2-minute timer. Just let them cook.
Don't swish them around. Just leave them alone.
I'm gonna give you this. You're gonna put the water to the pan, cover, and steam for 3 minutes.
Water and oil don't mix.
I'm scared. My timer went off. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it.
Turn on the fan, go! Turn on the fan! I'm so scared!
It's evaporating. They need to put it all now or it's gonna start evaporating too quickly before they cover it.
Lid? Wait. Lid? Yes.
Yes, now. You don't want the water to evaporate.
I think we burned the bottoms of them.
I think we should flip them.
I think we should. Please.
Oh, we burnt them.
We burnt them, is it bad? It's okay, they're gonna be a little
It's
crunchy.
only the ones on this side. These sides are fine. Flip that one!
The water evaporated too quickly. They didn't cover, they poured it like a little bit evaporated and poured the rest and they didn't put the lid on soon enough.
What's next?
Steam dumplings for 3 minutes until firm. Cook uncovered until all the water has evaporated and bottoms are crisp and golden.
You're just pouring water all over them.
Are they even timing any of this?
Evaporate. No, Kiera, keep the lid on it. What did you do?
She moved it too fast and it stuck to the pan. That's what she did.
I moved it too early. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
It doesn't say to flip it
I'm scared.
in the book, so it's not our fault.
I think we need to phone a friend.
I'm phoning Mom.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
We burnt the bottoms of it.
All right, I'm coming.
Let's take a look-see. Woo! Let me just take a little sneak peek here.
It's stuck. They're stuck. Oh no.
As it cooks and evaporates, the bottom's gonna crisp and release from the pan. But if you remove it too soon, it will get stuck. You just kind of have to check by like, see, it's not giving. Oh, see? Releasing from the pan.
Ah.
So we're waiting for the water to evaporate. It's gonna start crisping the bottom. And when it crisps the bottom, it will harden and then you could easily take it off the pan.
Oh. So they're not sticking?
No, you did it almost right.
We got this.
These don't look bad.
They don't look bad.
Transfer the fried dumplings into a serving platter and serve with dipping sauce.
Wasn't there supposed to be something we were gonna get here?
We forgot to get stuff for the dipping sauce.
Flip the pages to the dipping sauce. There's a dipping sauce recipe in the cookbook.
Page 41.
Okay, we forgot a whole page.
Let's just see what we have already and maybe we could just like salvage it.
Okay, soy sauce.
Move the dumplings, maybe put the lid on them
No.
so the fly doesn't get to it. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup toasted sesame oil. Oh, this is empty.
2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And then 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Is that your second one?
Yeah. 3, 4.
After that, oh.
What?
What?
4 teaspoons of brown sugar. That's what it says. Not tablespoons.
I can't read. I can't read.
No big deal. Just really sweet sauce. I'll put some more soy sauce in it. It's no biggie.
1 tablespoon chili oil.
You sure it says tablespoon?
Yes, I'm sorry. 2 tablespoons chopped scallions. Then 2 tablespoons of cilantro.
Okay, try it. We might need to add more soy sauce. All I take. I'm gonna put more soy sauce in it because you put so much brown sugar.
If you put more soy sauce in it, then you have to put more of everything else, like the rice vinegar and the sesame oil, which we're out of.
A little more rice vinegar.
Okay. I think it's good. Shay, taste it. Is it good?
It's good.
I think mine just went down the wrong pipe.
Okay, sauce is done. Okay, finally. Mom, we're done.
I mean, not bad for your first try. I'm definitely ready to try your pan-fried pork and shrimp dumplings. A little dippy dip. Okay, presentation-wise, I'm gonna give you an 8 out of 10.
That makes sense.
It could be a little less burnt here. I know you guys tried to hide it, but taste-wise, the filling perfectly seasoned and it's cooked through. The sauce is a little bit too sweet.
I didn't mean it.
And the texture of the dumpling, it's a little soft. And the reason why is when you cover the dumplings with a lid and they're hot, you're trapping steam and moisture in. It makes the dumpling wet. So once you cook it, don't cover it.
Okay.
So you want that little crisp.
Overall rating, what do you
Overall
give it?
rating. Okay. I'm still gonna give you an 8 out of 10.
That's not bad. That's not bad. I'll take it.
I'm actually really proud of you girls for following this recipe.
Really?
Yes. What I love is that you saved calling me for when you actually needed me. And in the future, when you're living on your own, I want you guys to be able to call me for recipes or just any tips when you're cooking.
Okay.